My name is Stacy Ipock. My son is Cash Pasley. He is 7 years old. Since he was a year old, he started getting ear infections. I had him to ENTs, doctors. They have put 3 sets of tubes in his ears. Back in August, we heard about Dr. Shearling, and I thought I'd bring him in. I was at my wit's end. I would try anything. We were in the hospital 7-8 times of a winter with ear infections. We come in, this is his 4th visit, and we have not been in the emergency room since last July. He has done wonderful with everything. He don't ever complain with his ears hurting. He don't complain with his throat hurting anymore.
So the medical doctors, they probably, with the tubes, they probably put him on antibiotics.
Oh yes,
Right,
his antibiotics, what he would do is he would get on the antibiotics. As soon as it wore off, he'd get another ear infection.
Oh.
It was just constant. It was horrible.
Mm-hmm.
And he still has 1 tube in his ear now, but usually as soon as the tubes fell out, they said he was partially deaf in both ears because of the fluid. He had problems with his speech. He's been in speech therapy for 3 years now because of his ears. And it just seems like since we've started coming to Dr. Shearling, he just has done a 360. I mean, amazing.
Wonderful.
Amazing.
Wonderful.